To automatically remove permission of an app if the app is unused in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, go to app screen, find the desired app. To find it quickly, tap the search and then type the app name. Long tap the app icon and then select app info. Now tap the gray on offset next to remove permission if app is unused to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will automatically remove permission, delete temporary files, and stop notification of the selected apps when the app is unused after a few of months. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.